y'all, it's Mrs. Blackburn here for today's poetry lesson. Let's go ahead and begin and discuss our learning goal. Students will learn to recognize imagery, rhyme scheme, meter, and syllabification in various forms of poetry. Your success criteria. Students will learn to use imagery, rhyme scheme, meter, and syllabification by creating various forms of poetry. Today we will be writing cinquains. Well, what is a cinquain poem? Cinq means five in French. A cinquain is a special kind of five-line poems with a very strict form. Line 1 is one word, the subject of the poem, and this word is a noun. Line 2 is two words describing the title. These words are adjectives, words that describe the noun. Line 3 is three words expressing action. These are verbs that tell what the noun in line 1 does. Separate the verbs with commas. Line 4 is expressing a feeling. This can be a short phrase or a series of words. And line 5 is one word that is another word for the subject. This should be a synonym for the subject. So here is an example over here. Motorcycle is the subject. You can see that's a noun. Then we have two words that are adjectives, noisy, fast. Then we have three words that are verbs that describe the subject, racing, climbing, crashing. Then we have a short phrase expressing feeling, fun on two wheels, and then usually this is one word, but sometimes it's two, that describes or is a synonym for the first word. So we have dirt bike. So let's just read it all together. Motorcycle, noisy, fast, racing, climbing, crashing, fun on two wheels, dirt bike. So you can kind of hear the rhythm. You can hear the meter, you can hear the syllabification. However, it is not a rhyming poem. That's how cinquains work. Let's go on to the next slide. Here are a couple more cinquains. This one's called dogs. Dogs, furry, friendly, barking, fetching, playing. Friends when you need them, pets. I want you to take a look at this third line here. Usually they have words that end in ing, but I have come across a few cinquains that they don't. And we'll take a look at this other one over here called diamonds, and you'll see that this one does not. Diamonds, small or big and beautiful, sparkling clear colors. They are found underground. Gem. So here's some examples of cinquains. Again, this one has ing words on the third line, but this one does not. But do notice that this one has 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice how the first word and the last word are over each other. So they kind of make this kind of what I call a Christmas tree shape. Okay. All right. So, in conclusion, remember that all poetry has these 5 elements. We have figurative language, imagery, voice, ideas and content, and word choice. Those are all the things and elements that you want to have a nice quality poem. You will have a puzzle piece in Schoology, and I'm sure you've already figured out that yes, you will be writing a cinquain poem. Make sure that you look and follow the rules. I will have a slide in Schoology so you can refer back to that. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers.